we have these fans and light, solar panel, and phone will charge here.
Let's begin.
Hello guys, welcome to Xilir Technologies. This is our project hybrid umbrella with blind stick. Okay, so in this project we have these wire connected with DC fans, light, solar panels which is charging these lithium-ion batteries here. Then we have ultrasonic sensor which will detect the obstacle in front of it. Then we have rain sensor. If rain is happening, it will detect the rain. And here we have phone charger, power bank we have, so it will charge your phone. So now we will see working of this project button. So if we turn on the button, you can see the output. Okay, and if I put this obstacle, it will make sound like this. This is ultrasonic sensor connected with Arduino Nano microcontroller. And now we will see the output of this rain sensor. Okay. That's it. So for phone charging, let me show you how the phone will charge. This is the power cable. Just connect this cable to this USB port. And now we will connect this to the phone. And you see, phone is charging.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.